to our video. My name is Elsa Kunesari and my friend are named Rizna Nata Arnelta, Diana and Manisa. Okay, today we will present about material, government and business. So, government and business are closely interacted in the international business environment. Government establishes laws, regulation, and policies that influence how business operate, while business contribute to economic growth, employment, and tax revenue. In international business, companies must understand government system, trade policies, and regulation in different countries to ensure successful operational. Oke, jadi pemerintah dan dunia usaha saling terkait erat dalam lingkungan bisnis internasional. Pemerintah menetapkan hukum, peraturan, dan kebijakan yang mempengaruhi cara bisnis beroperasi, sementara bisnis berkontribusi pada pertumbuhan ekonomi, lapangan kerja, dan pendapatan pajak. Pemerintah dan dunia usaha saling terkait erat dalam lingkungan bisnis internasional. Pemerintah menetapkan hukum, peraturan, dan kebijakan yang mempengaruhi cara bisnis beroperasi, sementara bisnis berkontribusi pada pertumbuhan ekonomi, lapangan kerja, dan pendapatan pajak. Okay, next slide. The role of government in business. Government plays several important roles in business activities. Number one, regulator. Create laws and regulation, protect consumers and employees. Number two, facilitator. Provides infrastructure and public service and support business development. And number three, promoter. Encourage export and foreign investment. And last, protector. Protector domestic industries from unfair competition. Oke, slide selanjutnya tentang peran pemerintah dalam bisnis. Pemerintah memainkan beberapa peran penting dalam kegiatan bisnis. Yang pertama, pengatur, yaitu membuat undang-undang dan pengaturan, melindungi konsumen dan karyawan. Yang kedua, fasilitator, menyediakan infrastruktur dan layanan publik serta mendukung pengembangan bisnis. Yang ketiga, promotor, mendorong ekspor dan investasi asing. Yang terakhir, pelindung, yaitu untuk melindungi industri dalam negeri dari persaingan yang tidak sehat.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Diana. Here I will present a PPT. Government policies affect international business. Several government policies directly affect international business. 1. Trade policies. 2. Enforcement policies. 3. Labor regulation. 4. Environment regulation. 5. Monetary and fiscal policies. 4. Of government intervention. Government may intervene in business through various policies to protect national economic interests. 1. Tariff. Taxes imposed on imported goods make imported goods more expensive, so domestic products become more competitive. 2. Quotas. Limits on the quantity of imported product, restrict the amount of goods that can be imported within a certain period. 3. Subsidies. Financial assistance provided to domestic industries, reduce production costs and help domestic companies compete with foreign business. 4. Trade restriction. Rules designate to control import and export include export ban, import bans, licensing requirements, and other regulation.
Impact of government on international business. Positive impact. Number 1, economic stability. 2, infrastructure development. 3, investor protection. 4, fair competition. Negative impact. 1, excessive regulation. 2, bureaucracy. 3, political uncertainty. 4, trade barriers. Case study: Government support for international business. Example: Indonesia Export Promotion Program. The Indonesia government support export through various programs and policies to strengthen the competitiveness of local business in the global market. Key form of government support: number one, export financing assistance. The government provide low interest loans, credit worthiness, and export assurance to help exporters improve cash flow and financial risks. Two, trade agreements. Indonesia actively participates in bilateral and multilateral trade agreements to open free markets and reduce trade barriers for Indonesia products. 3. Investment incentive, tax holiday, tax allowance, and other incentives are provided to encourage investments in export-oriented industries. 4. Export training program. The government conducts training, mentoring, and workshops to build exporter capacity in product quality, packaging, branding, and international marketing.
Okay, next, challenges in government-business relation. Major challenges that can create risks and affect business operation. First, political instability. Frequent change in leadership, conflict, or unrest can disrupt economic activities and create uncertainty for business. 2. Corruption. Corruption increases business costs, distorts fair competition, and reduces trust in government institutions. 3. Regulatory change. Frequent or unclear regulation changes make long-term planning difficult and increase compliance costs. 4. International trade disputes. Tariff sanctions and trade barriers between countries can limit market access and affect global supply chain. And last, different legal systems across countries. Variation in law and legal practice across countries can create complexity and legal risks for business operating internationally. Oke, selanjutnya saya akan menjelaskan tentang dalam hubungan antara pemerintah dan bisnis. Ada beberapa tantangan utama, yaitu ketidakstabilan politik yang dapat menciptakan ketidakpastian bagi perusahaan. Kedua, korupsi juga menjadi masalah karena meningkatkan biaya bisnis dan mengurangi kepercayaan. Selain itu, perubahan regulasi yang sering terjadi dapat menyulitkan perusahaan dalam menyusun strategi bisnis. Kemudian, sengketa perdagangan internasional dapat menghambat akses pasar dan rantai pasok. Terakhir, perbedaan sistem hukum antar negara membuat perusahaan harus menyesuaikan diri dengan aturan yang berbeda. Karena itu, perusahaan perlu memahami kebijakan pemerintah dan terus memantau perkembangan politik serta hukum agar dapat mengurangi risiko bisnis. And next, for conclusion, government plays a crucial role in shaping the international business environment. Through regulation, trade policies, and economic programs, government influence business operation and competitiveness. Understanding government-business relations is essential for companies seeking success in international market. A strong partnership between government and business created a stable, competitive, and prosperous global economy. Sebagai penutup, dapat disimpulkan bahwa pemerintah memiliki peran penting dalam dunia bisnis internasional melalui berbagai kebijakan dan regulasi. Oleh karena itu, perusahaan perlu memahami hubungan antara pemerintah dan bisnis agar dapat berkembang bersaing di pasar global. Kerjasama yang baik antara pemerintah dan pelaku usaha juga dapat menciptakan lingkungan bisnis yang lebih stabil dan mendukung pertumbuhan ekonomi.